What's the meaning of bar chart? Bar chart. Bar chart.
Bar chart. Bar chart. A bar chart, also known as a bar graph, is a data visualization tool that represents information using rectangles or bars of varying heights or lengths. The bars are typically arranged horizontally or vertically to display the magnitude of data for comparison purposes. Bar charts are useful for displaying simple and straightforward data in a way that is easy to understand and interpret. They can be used to compare the values of different categories or groups of data, track changes over time, show distributions or frequencies, and identify patterns or trends in data. Overall, a bar chart is an effective way to convey information visually and communicate important insights to various stakeholders.